Okay. I see. Yeah. You're from India. From where are you in India? Like, I forgot, sorry. Mumbai, I see. Okay. It's in Mumbai. Mumbai. Oops. It's not in book. India's biggest city. What's the capital of India? Again? I forgot. It's not Mumbai, right? Yeah, biggest capital. Mm. Mm-hmm. I know someone from India, but nothing. You can search Mumbai in the Google map. Mumbai is the coolest city in India. Yeah. Mm. Like actually, yeah, India. Eh, Mumbai. Sorry, Mumbai. Like, is it still? Oh, I think it's not. Ano na, like tradition where the tradition in India, like is it called sati or suti? Sati or suti? Something like that. I can still remember it. Suti or sati? Sati or suti? Suti or sati? Something like that. And also caste system. Is it still, in your village, in your society? The caste system in India. But I think it's not that evident now. Means let's add the veggies, the leaves. To add the leaves. Let's taste it. Okay. Mm-hmm. Like maybe 30 minutes, 25 minutes. I want the chicken slightly or cook. Not slightly cook, but cook. I want to make sure that it's actually cooked. Yeah. I need this. Okay. Let's add more. Thank you. Well, this one is really good if you're not feeling well or something. Let's add the moringa. Moringa. Thank you.